to clean and detail car interiors. A comprehensive step-by-step guide. Before you start, you want to ensure you have time dedicated to the task. Also, make sure you have all the things you will need to complete the job successfully. You will need plenty of new or clean microfiber towels, sprays, special equipment, brushes, etc. Step 1. Declutter and remove all unwanted items. The first and most crucial step is to declutter the vehicle's interior. It will make the cleaning process much more manageable. Step 2. Remove and clean the floor mats. Remove all floor mats and wash and disinfect them. For rubber mats, spray degreaser and rinse off with water. For standard fabric rugs, vacuum first, then spray a fabric cleaner. Finally, scrub with upholstery and carpet brush and wipe clean with a microfiber towel. Step 3. Vacuum inside the entire car. Always working from top to bottom, keep the vacuum nozzle close to the surface to pick up dust and grime. Once you vacuum, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down all the hard surfaces. Pay special attention to the steering wheel and sticky or greasy areas. Focus on getting between the cracks and crevices. Be sure to pay attention to any areas that seem particularly dirty or grimy. Step 4. Steam clean the door jambs, seals, and weather stripping. Steam cleaning is one of the best methods available. Traditional cleaning methods rely on harsh chemicals and abrasive scrubbing, while cleaning with steam uses only hot water to loosen and remove dirt and grime. Step 5. Revitalize the headliner with gentle but thorough cleaning. Step 6. Clean seats can make a world of difference. Regarding interior auto detailing, the seats are often one of the most overlooked. Take your time and clean your car seats the best you can. It will make the whole car look better. Step 7. Scrub and shampoo carpets and floors. You may need to use a more powerful car shampoo or a carpet shampoo for more significant stain removal. Step 8. Clean the plastic trim and vinyl. This step applies to plastic door panels, dashboard center console, cup holders, etc. Step 9. Seal off all the fabric with a protective fabric protectant spray. When applied to upholstery, the fabric protectant adds protection from UV light. It prevents bacteria growth caused by sweat oils and grime. It makes maintenance cleaning in the future much easier and less time-consuming. Step 10. Clean air vents and a new cabin air filter promote clean air inside the car. Step 11. Deodorize the interior with your favorite air freshener. Your car's AC system can help distribute the air freshener through the entire vehicle area. It will make it last longer and provide better coverage. Step 12, final and most crucial step, sparkly clean the glass. Be sure to clean both the inside and outside of the windows.